should've played myself, but that's what I've heard. And now I'm staying the night and the sun is out. What can we just go home and spend it all where we wanna be?
Like 2 months ago, I was, constantly going through this thoughts about how long it's gonna last, how we're gonna survive, and that thing. And then I saw, like a couple of months ago, I saw this post. One of my Facebook friends, he posted, because he has a dive center in Maldives. So he posted that the Maldives are open, and there was a lot of people actually going to Maldives. A lot of our students and also our customers went to the Maldives, like groups and that stuff. And then I saw one instructor going there, the people I know, another one went there, and there was, of course, there was also thoughts in my head that maybe to leave Laura here, and she's in a charge of everything, and then I'm going there. But I've been thinking about that quite a long time, and I decided to not go, because if we compare the situation in Thailand, Philippines, in Thailand it's kind of a little bit interesting because the government is making really interesting decisions. Philippines are kind of going absolutely nuts. It's like it's like a theater of absurd. While the Bali is kind of, like I always been telling, we never really had like a strict quarantine, and we still don't have these cases of. And then this morning I saw one of our Facebook friends, and actually one of our friends did exactly what I've been thinking so long time. So he left his wife at home to be in a charge of all the dive center things, and he went to work to Maldives, because I think it's like there's a lot of pressure at the moment and we don't know what to do. It's the same like when like we always say, the people mostly giving up just before the finish. If they know there is a finish, they are not giving up, and they just keep going because they know the distance. If you're doing something where you are not really sure how long it will last, and then you start thinking, actually, does it pay that effort you invest in it? So then in some point you're giving up, and then accidentally it's like, yeah, if you would be a little bit patient and wait for another 2 weeks, then everything you will be actually one of the most successful person in this moment. I think I made decisions this 2 months ago when I was just thinking about that. And of course now it's a big willing to maybe follow the practice of something else did, just because I've been thinking about that. But we started a new project, and what to say, I have like, I'm pretty sure I'm doing everything right. That's what I want to say. And even I'm wrong, so then I'm wrong. It would be nice if someone can comment it and what you think, right? So, because we living here and we don't see the things that as you see them from the outside. It would be just amazing if you can just comment about that. And at the moment, the only thing motivates me to keep going is that this cannot last forever. But forever, it means also maybe it will last another 2 years, and that then we cannot survive anymore, right? But there are still some movement happening, and there's a lot of people looking for possibilities and chances to get into the Bali, because it's a kind of their favorite place to be. That's the place they like. and there is a lot of things to do. As long you get into the Bali, there is no problem at all. You can freely travel. There is no that strict restrictions. There's a lot of people, like local people, still don't wearing this mask and that stuff, and there is no corona cases anyways. There is not that many corona cases, especially in Bali. Jakarta, yes, like a big cities, they have some cases, but again, there's not that many people died from corona here. Yeah, please comment what you think. It would, like, you know, it's always nice to hear some another opinion. We are preparing for Batur hike tonight. In the midnight we gonna leave, so it's gonna take approximately 2 hours to get there. Then we're gonna start our hike, so that's why I'm going to finish my vlog in this moment, because I have to edit it and upload, so you can see tomorrow morning where we will hike to the summit of Batur. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and see you tomorrow from the summit of Batur. Bye.
Now